Today, I'm going to teach you how you can become a naturopathic doctor with recognized certificates, and you start making money for yourself by attending to a patient in your location. If you are conversant on what happens as it relates to medication, you will agree that in recent time, loads of people are beginning to switch from conventional medicine to phyto-medicine because of the health benefits. As a matter of fact, the sales of phytomedicine has increased tremendously. This is an opportunity for you to be in the system. You need to acquire modern skill as a naturopathic doctor. To join this class, click on the link below. Remember to hit subscribe button. See you in the next video.